Alright, what's going on, peeps? Thank you for tuning back in again. I'm back home from this Gatlingburg trip. I actually been home a couple of days. As you can tell, my beard's bad, so don't mind me. You know how when you say you're gonna go out and vlog and everything don't go as planned because you get in the moment, you end up doing some other stuff. You had certain things you was gonna do, certain things you was gonna set up, the way the vlog was gonna go, the music and everything, and my stuff didn't go as planned. I didn't get enough drone footage. I didn't get to record every place we went and things, which is a good thing because I always tell people, put down your cell phones, take it all in, live in the moment. You feel me? And I did get some, don't get me wrong, but not like I wanted to go. So I'm kind of narrating this lightweight. I don't even know how I'm doing this. I haven't even watched the video that I recorded. I just kind of know what I recorded. So I'm pretty much doing this to kind of, make the video go like it needs to go. All right. So, of course, we left. So it's that time. Let's go hit this Gatlingburg trip up. Wifey making me drive, so I'm not gonna be able to get a lot of footage on the road, but let's go. All right. We're only 5 minutes out. We already stopped. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Now Dive eating down there and they're getting some liquor. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're bad.
So we looking good. Now I'm in a Tesla. One day I get one. I get grown and get me a Tesla. Steak and shake. We're getting a little breakfast in before we hit the road.
It's not breakfast.
What is it?
Not breakfast.
But not breakfast. Brunch in.
It's not brunch either. You gotta put breakfast in there. It's just lunch. Call it what it is.
Alright, we're just eating. Goddamn. Alright, here the cabin. Finally made it.
Alright, bros.
Finally made it over Gatlingburg. Got some lights on in here. There we go. Nice. Kitchen.
Because these cabins are big enough for
This is like
everybody.
They are.
cup.
David over here. We ain't been here 5 minutes.
That's what I said. This is enough room.
We ain't been here 5 minutes. He's already getting at it.
We got it going. Gotta get it started.
If they honestly would have put 2 more rooms,
Everybody's
in this
not here
cabin,
yet,
it would have
but-
been fine. We would have been
Let's
fine.
see here now.
I should have brushed this. This is legit, man. This is amazing.
So was that
only one deal? You get them both or you don't get them at all?
You can rent them separate, but
picture
it
from
costs
upstairs.
$100,000.
Nice, man.
But if you book them separate, it's copper top.
Oh.
$1 million
Who
view.
wants the top?
You already on the shot?
After that,
Not after that. On some fireball.
not very convincing.
Alright, so we got some video games over here, pool table.
Bring the cover back that's in our car.
Wow. Some type of weather. Let's go downstairs in the basement. Let's see. Theater room. Look at the theater room. Where the light at? Here we go. Lights. Theater room. Wash and dry. Ooh, it's dope. Another bedroom. Right here, look. Got his own little deck piece. Look at the view. Look at the view. Hot tub. We swimming in the clouds, baby. Foosball table out here in the deck. Look, and this is not the only. So y'all can see me. This is not the only one we got. This property that we got a swimming pool, indoor swimming pool. Got this one, and it has actually another cabin that we got that I will show y'all later. So I'm gonna get my drone and show y'all some of this view right here. Let me show y'all some of this view. Got to Gatlingburg, had fun. The cabin was cool, man. You know, we had two cabins. We had one up top and one at the bottom. Then we had a swimming pool. Got Daniel over there and Brian over here chilling in the back. What does that do? It's the heater. Got the crew out there. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. We're kicking it. We decided to do it big today. We usually don't got a crew, but. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As you can see, let me, a little too bright, let me see. Maybe I'm not bright enough. As you can see, I'm in the cabin. Good morning. And I'm mad as heck today. Look, I'm actually swimming in the clouds. And it's raining, so I can't take my drone out. But look at that crazy scene right there. But it's raining a little bit, so I can't take out my goddamn drone. But this cabin is called Swimming in the Clouds, and we really are swimming in the clouds. We got the 2020 Model 3. We in Gatlingburg, Tennessee. I got Trey, Brian, Dom. We about to go out for a minute. Hit the town, pick up some groceries, and
Car, this white car drinking coffee.
nah, there we go. Look at that. What you gonna do? He's pouring out the coffee because he got the white seats, and he don't trust himself.
What the heck? Nah.
We got B right there. Dom over there.
I don't trust the,
Trey over here.
the bumps and shit. Yo.
See, as y'all know in
First
my
thing when you get out,
Let's
the
listen
handle
to
is not this, it's this.
Oh, like
you just
that?
press that and push.
Yeah, I can see that.
Alright.
I'm futuristic on that. You know what I'm
No, you'd be surprised. Most people will be,
trying to get wild.
yeah, most people will be
You
like,
gonna turn the
"Oh,
car on because I don't hear anything.
Nah, but I did have to figure out how to punch the button.
But anyway, I was gonna say Dom got the white seats. If I ever get it, I'll probably get the black seats because I got kids and they crazy.
Same.
Same. So
Alright.
look, we can see the
straight away, man.
yeah, we can see the clouds.
I'm trying to take the fucking.
I'm trying to do the race, man.
You taking these curves like NASCAR, huh?
I should have put it in track mode. I kind of forgot. You need to.
Yeah, hell yeah.
It's still a little wet outside, bro.
Right.
Nah, bro, that shit hugs the road, bro. You got something to
Until it don't.
Oh shit! Hey man, this is too fast.
Hey, on the highway, he got it up to 130 in no time.
Pool was great. It was heated, nice. Had hot tubs in both cabins. We pretty much spent time in the bottom cabin. We put all the food and everything in the bottom cabin, and only certain people went up back to the top cabin and went to sleep. So now what we like to do, we like to spend more time in the cabin. I think we're getting older. We don't really want to go out as much. And spending time in the cabin is playing games and kind of chilling out and talking to each other is what we get our phone now. So anyway, yeah, we hit the city. Or the strip, I guess you can call that. You know, we went out to eat at this place called Kaun. Then we went moonshine tasting, man. Moonshine tasting is nice. I mean, because they get this guy or this girl, and they get up there and they basically talk about their moonshines.
It's like burning my stomach.
That was that second
In
one.
my stomach.
Yeah.
Man, this was good.
Salud.
Ready?
Oh, we don't left the
Oh shit. we don't.
Alright, y'all feel a lot better now? That burn kind of washed away?
Yeah, that was nice.
You guys
I like
want
it.
more moonshine or that first one kind of... No.
Now we good.
Keep
We
going?
need more.
Look how many more we got left.
Alright folks, our next one's Blackberry Moonshine. Right?
Blackberry.
We call it shine wine and blackout berry. Alright, shine wine because it resembles wine in flavor and smoothness, guys, no burn. Okay? Now we call it blackout berry because it is a 40 proof moonshine. Folks, that's a lot stronger than any wine you can ever get. Alright, so if you try to drink this like wine at dinner, guys, guess what? All that's gonna happen, you're gonna end up getting blackout drunk. Right? And guys, if you're the one cooking dinner, you never actually finished that dinner and nobody ate that night.
You know, and they got you tasting like 15 different moonshines, man, all back to back, little bitty shots, you know, and they all taste different, and they basically tell you, you know, where they came from and how they got here, and you know how strong they are and things to that nature. Pretty neat. That's our second time doing it, and every time we go, we want to do it. I mean, it's only $5 to taste, you know, pretty much all the moonshines they got. We did that, and then we kind of walked the strip a little bit. I gotta get one. All right, so we just got finished doing a little moonshine tasting. They want to get in here and get a lottery ticket, so I'm let them get a lottery ticket. My fault.
Make a night of it.
So I don't know, we're about to go eat. Look at that up there. That's the walking bridge, if you can see it. Where's it at? Where's it at? Can't see it from here? There you go, up there. Them all them lights up there. There's a walking bridge. So.
It blurs me.
Did an abracadabra. He did an abracadabra like she be done.
You thought you were
And then I went back to the car and hiked it back up to the cabin. Now the cabin, man, from the main road up to our cabin takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get there. I mean, this road is steep. I'm talking 45 degrees. You know what I'm saying? Almost 90. I say 45. No, not 45. Maybe more 70 degrees. I don't know. It's steep. But in all, we had a great time till next year, which will be our 6th. We're thinking about doing it later in the year so we can actually enjoy some of the festivities that don't open until like March, April-ish, or going somewhere else. So if you're one of my friends and you're watching this, this is the invitation. I'm not going to send any invitations yet because I don't know how the crew is.
Bruh.
But, we have fun, kid-free, back to reality, and yeah. That's all I got to say about that, right? Am I missing anything? If I am, oh well. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I know the people watching this is probably my family because I'm going to put this on Facebook and y'all going to watch it. Like, comment, and subscribe my stuff. You feel me? I'll be putting stuff out there and y'all be showing me no love. So show me some love. You hear me? Love. Show me some love. Subscribe. You know, I think I only got like 40 subscribers. So like, comment, subscribe. Till next time.